One sunny morning, as Lily ventured into the forest, she stumbled upon a fluffy white rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had the softest fur and the biggest, roundest eyes Lily had ever seen. "Hello, little one," Lily greeted with a warm smile. Rosie, feeling safe, hopped closer.
If you want to make such cartoon videos and earn money from YouTube, watch this video till end. I am going to share secret prompts and tricks, so let's get started. We will divide this video in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Generate story script. In this tutorial, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a unique story.
Begin by creating a free account on chat.openai.com. You can choose sign-in option if you already have an account. Once logged in, you'll need to provide a prompt, such as write a short kid story about a young girl and rabbit in about 150 words. As you see, ChatGPT will generate a story for you in few seconds. Now we will ask ChatGPT to create some mid-journey prompts to generate images for the story. ChatGPT will create prompts for whole story one by one. We will paste these prompts one by one in Blue Willow to generate images. These prompts will help Blue Willow to create images according to the story. Remember, these prompts are not enough to generate high-quality images like these. You can see these images as high quality and they have Disney style. Watch the full video. I will share some tips and tricks. I will tell you some secret prompts to generate HD hyper-realistic images. Step 2. Generate voiceover. In the second step, you'll create a voiceover for your story using AI. One option is to use 11 Labs, a website with various AI voices. After adjusting voice settings, paste your story script, copied from ChatGPT into the tool. Click on Generate option and it will generate the voiceover and you can download it. Step 3. Generate cartoon images. To complement your story, you'll need cartoon images. Use Blue Willow or Leonardo AI to generate these images. Blue Willow is a free AI artwork generator that creates stunning AI-generated images. Now it's time to add prompt in this command. We will go to ChatGPT, select the prompt and copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Blue Willow server. And also add some secret prompts like hyper-realistic, 8K Ultra HD, Pixar style, Disney style, Cinema 4D, and AR3:2. The AI will generate high-quality images based on your prompts. Download these images for use in your video. Here I will generate all the images by pasting their prompts one by one. I will show you some images that I have generated. You will also generate all the images in Blue Willow. Step 4. Generate animated video. You can use the AI tool runway.ml for this purpose. Create a free account and choose the image to video option. Upload your AI-generated images, and after a few seconds, the tool will create an animated video. Keep repeating this process to generate videos for all the images. Make sure to use this method for the best quality. Step 5. Edit animated video. In the final step, you'll edit and enhance your animated video. You can use video editing software like CapCut, which is free and user-friendly. Import your all animated videos one by one. Now drag them into timeline according to their sequence. After sorting them, now we will add voiceover. You can add any background music you'd like to use. Adjusting the video placement.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage nestled deep in the enchanted forest, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had sparkling blue eyes and a heart full of kindness.
Add transitions between all the animated videos one by one to make it look more professional, and apply effects to enhance the storytelling. I will apply the effect to whole video. Transitions are like the glue that binds your footage together, and they can make or break your video's flow. There's a transition for every mood and style. Experiment and find the ones that suit your content. Remember, transitions can elevate your video storytelling and engagement. Go ahead, get creative, and make your videos unforgettable with these incredible transitions. Zoom transitions are fantastic for drawing your viewers' attention. By zooming in or out between clips, you can create a sense of depth and drama, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Here I am applying the effect to whole video. This will help make this animation look more enchanting and eye-appealing. I have chosen the Mini Stars 2 effect and see how it looks. It just adds magical feels in the video. You can choose whichever effect you want to add in your video according to your visuals. The Mini Star 2 has transformed the scene into an enchanting spectacle. Those shimmering stars and dynamic light effects are absolutely mesmerizing. So, if you're ready to turn your videos into cinematic masterpieces, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. You can also include subtitles using the editor's features. I will use auto captions feature to generate captions from voiceover. After a few seconds, it will apply to whole video. Once your video is complete, you can export it and download the final product. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more valuable content.